I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delay on Bumble. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Bumble app. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.